Hey guys, Robert here. Welcome back to another Tekkit video. And sorry about the long wait. I know it's been days now. And I'm just loading up Tekkit and hopefully it loads up fully. I don't mind that. Still shaking from earlier. You might be like, why are you shaking? Why are you shaking from earlier? Because, hold on a minute. Oh, oops. That was only like a second that I skipped out. I just thought someone would come in and interrupt me. Anyway, what was I saying? Yeah, I was shaking because I was playing some normal Minecraft on this server that I go on quite a lot, and they basically, you know how you can send links in Minecraft? Well, basically there was this thing, and oh, it was so scary. Okay, so enough about that. I have extended the workshed because I just thought it was just too crowded. And guess what we have, guys? The condenser. Then if we open the condenser, I condense that uranium, and we have 24 diamonds, guys. That is pretty impressive. Pretty impressive indeed. And what we're going to do now, I think what we should do is we basically need to get everything organised. So if we disable that, do this. Okay, so now we have our macerator and blah extractor and all that. Okay, so what we need to do is, this is going to be our generator. So the generator is going to go there. This is going to be the macerator. So basically the macerator needs to go here. The extractor can go here. No, not there. Here. Because then we can still pipe it out over to the furnace. So if we just get rid of this. We should get rid of that. It's so annoying. We'll also get rid of that as well. Oh, that was a bad idea. Okay, so basically, if we just get rid of this. Oh, do I only have one? Okay. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to just get the, yeah, it's going to be the macerator. So it needs to go up, around, like this. And we need to make more of those. So if we just chuck that out, if we stand in this pile, we need to try and get the chest. There we go. Now if we put the chest down here, some of the stuff in there. We'll need that. I need that glass, and I need some cobblestone. Where's all the cobblestone gone? We ran out. Let's say we ran out of cobblestone. I knew this day would come. Marble brick. Ugh, it's not organised. I hate it. Oh, there's an ink sac down there. Okay. Okay, this may be a bit too much cobblestone, but let's go. Whoa. Yeah, a bit too much cobblestone. Yeah. Indeed, a bit too much. Well, that's making us lots of, well, that's turning it into, what's it called? It's turning into EMC. So to make diamonds for us. Okay, so what we need to do now, we need to make some more cobblestone pipes. So we got 64 cobblestone pipes. That's brilliant. Brilliant. I like that. Then what we can do is we can go now if we take out these floorboards, what we can have it do is then have it go underneath the roof. Wait, shall we have... yeah, let's do this. Hold on. We need to get a chest. Do we have any? No, we don't have any wood on it. Wait, no. Don't turn it into hole into diamonds. Okay, that would do. Take that 65 wood. Oh, this is very frustrating indeed. Okay, so if we make like 8 chests, then we can so this is going to be our refined stuff or cooked materials chest. So basically what we want it to do is sorry about that. What we want it to do is travel all the way to this chest. And how we do that is simply going all the way. Got a bit of lag here, sorry guys. Okay, so that's pumping into there. Now what we can do is we just cover it all in marble. And then, oh, this is going to be pretty cool. Oh yeah, that needs to be wooden. So basically it gets macerated, goes over there, gets cooked and then goes into that chest. So I'll quickly try and show you this. And now I've got no cooking materials. Oh yeah, we need to, what's it called? Just do this. Okay, so if we just do that. And then do that. Okay, this frees up. Oh god damn it. Just macerate that. Hold on guys, I'll pause the video until it's nearly done macerating. Okay guys, nearly done macerating. And then that will turn into sand. Get pumped. And then it should go into that chest to get cooked into glass. So hold on, I need to keep pausing this video. Hold on. Okay, so now it's just going in to get cooked. So now it gets cooked, and then I'll pause it in a minute. Now you see the glass just getting pumped out down there. Hold on. Then basically we'll get into pumped to the chest. And now I'm talking really fast because it's nearly the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe if you want more. Like and favourite this video. See you guys.